Hi everyone, my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel. In this video, we are going to share you as awesome tips how you can differentiate yourself, especially your insurance agent from others. This is a practical tips from Pattrick Ng. Let's see how it works. Pattrick Ng is an insurance agent with a couple of years experience. He was an engineer in the telecom and telecommunication. Eventually, he signed up and he's passed as a certified financial planner. Now he advises his clients on pick and choose on package the insurance packages which is suitable for them or for themselves. Let's see how this thing is able to work. And let's jump to the screen. What you can see on the screen here, it has a name, the insurer names. Maybe there's some other brother or sisters together. And we can see all the packages for different coverage. And as long as I'm able to key in new data here, perhaps JS, there's a new policy number F123, and this is for critical illness. Then the coverage, the premium is 2,000. So by doing this, just now the critical illness for JS is 6,000. After doing the simple data entry, I'm able to see the changes to 8,000. As maybe I want to have that as not enough for the death coverage, so I add as a 1, 2, 3. So I can drop down is a death coverage, maybe it is 5,000. As long as I enter the premium in the list here, ta-da! You can see it's 5,000 is here. Let's see how it works. And now I have a screen. It doesn't have any formulas and it has some data here. On the very first step, I want to make this whole thing into an Excel table. If that's using the mouse method, I could go to Insert. On the left side, you will see something called Table. Alternatively, I can use the keyboard shortcut Control T. Control T allows us the whole thing changes to table. Immediately, I press OK. Once this is done, I want to change the table name. Currently, it says Table. I just go to Design and go to the far left side. Currently, it says Table 1. I just want to say this is Table Insurance. And this is my preference. I always start my table name with the wording of table. This is to make the thing easier to see and easier to type as well. And subsequently, no space in between them and just type the word relating to this data. So it's table insurance. Once I'm done, I press enter. So this is done. So the next time I'm going to the graphical where it has all the names and for the different coverage. And I want to use the formula. And the formula I'm going to use is SUMIFS. SUMIFS. Sum is very useful. If let's say without using SUMIF, this thing may happen. I may filter by the person name. Perhaps subsequently, I will just filter by the individual of them. Maybe it is critical illness, how many, how much, and continue. And this is counterproductive. Some people maybe start using pivot table. Pivot table is good, however, it's not presentable as per the graphical format. Let's see how it's able to done. I will go a bit slower. If you feel this is a bit too fast, you can slow down in this video and you can walk through the steps how this thing works. So the first thing, I just equal. Before that, let me zoom in. Now you're able to see clearly equal SUM sum. So you can see there's some ifs. So I press tab to start. Now it asking for the sum range, means the premium. The table name, it was table something. I'm unable to recall, so I just have table. Immediately I can see the list appears. If let's say in my Excel file has more than one table, I can see the list of all tables. This is the special reasons why I start my tabling with the wording of table. So I have table insurance. This is selected. I can use tab to confirm it. So I open square bracket. It will give me the list of the data or column available. So I want to sum the premium. I want to select this one. Again, I use tab and close square bracket. Inside the premium, all the columns here, what I want. So the subsequent is I want to comma and table. I will see the table insurance, tab, open square bracket. I want to get the name and tab, close square bracket and comma. I want the name same as the name on my left. So I just select and go to B8. Now it's C8, so you go to left is C8 and comma. There are so many premium or so many insurance covered for this person. So I want to go to specific. It's a death. So I just again table insurance and tab open square bracket, and I want to see which are the things. Let me use the formula bar to be easier to see. So I just go to here and square bracket. I will see I want to go by the type. So I go to type and tab and square bracket and comma. I want to use the depth. So I open. Okay, let me go a little bit. It is okay. This will be better to type here. Open double quote. So I just type. Let me close the formula bar. So I just type that. So it doesn't have uppercase and lowercase. It doesn't matter. I open double quote, type the wording I want, and close double quote. Immediately I close bracket. So I press enter. I will get the result. I can copy the same thing downward. If let's say I'm at the bottom, I can press Ctrl D. Ctrl D is to fill down. So I Ctrl D, I will get this thing. Subsequently, I just need to copy the rest for the others premium coverage. So I just F2, Ctrl Shift Home to select everything, copy, and press Escape. And I go to D2. I just go a bit faster. This is critical illness is CI. And press Enter. Then Ctrl D, copy downward. Meanwhile, this is early CI, means early critical illness. So once I'm done, I just Ctrl D and I get this thing done. Let's test this, how this thing works. So I Pattrick JS Ng, he or she doesn't have the coverage for the death. So maybe it's a good to have this. So I just the policy number F123, and this is called death. So I press, maybe this premium is only 3,000. So I press enter. I just do a data entry in this context. Subsequently, in the graphical mode, it changes the whole thing. And with this kind of simple report, it gives the customers and the clients the overview how is the coverage like. Typically in insurance, it could be more than this. This is only an example how Pattrick is differentiate him or himself to others. And just a quick reminder, Pattrick, he is a certified financial planner. He helps customers to source or to analyze the insurance policy from all insurance company and provide a simple summary, something like this one-page summary for his clients. If you are interested to find out how you are able to do something like this, or perhaps you need someone to analyze your coverage, feel free to contact Pattrick Ng. He is from Ipoh, Malaysia. Ipoh, Malaysia. I will leave the contact underneath this video. And again, for some other insurance agents, if you find this is useful, feel free to use it and feel thankful to Pattrick Ng because of his generosity. He's willing to share all these things with all of us here. And again, my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel. If you have a question about this kind of practical situation, feel free to send it over. I will come out of this video. If you want to have special mention on your name, if you share something like very interesting, and I will give you a very good publicity, something like Pattrick Ng today. And again, we should have a great week ahead. See you.